Mr. Worms Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Nokia G100 for Boost Mobile. So the Nokia G100 is a new budget smartphone for Boost Mobile. It's available now for $99.99. It's currently $40 off as I'm recording this video. The full retail price of the G100 is $139.99. So this is a budget smartphone, so to keep that in mind. So anyways, it's available now in Nordic Blue there, 32 gigabytes of storage, and yeah, there's a phone right there. Yeah. So there it is. There, it's got your teardrop notch for your front facing camera there, earpiece above that, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there, and that's probably is a fingerprint sensor. Your power button is also a fingerprint sensor. I'm pretty sure that's what that is. I'm pretty sure. And you got your Nokia logo there on the bottom, and I do like the wallpaper there, very cool wallpaper there. So, and I do like the little clock thing here, which is pretty nice, you know what I mean? So, yeah, let's go and check out the phone. So, yeah, this is front of it. Here's the back of the Nokia G100. You guys got triple cameras in the back. Yeah, triple cameras, which is nice. Camera flash. Yeah, Nokia logo, and it has this interesting design on the back, which is pretty interesting. And yeah, it has like a blue color, so it's like a Nordic blue. So it's like a dark blue color, which is yeah. But the design is interesting nonetheless. So there's the back of it there. You do get 3 cameras, so pretty nice. Bottom of the Nokia G100 is your microphone, Type-C charging port, speaker, which is nice. Left side has your micro SD and SIM card slot. Right side, you got the C power button, volume keys. There's the camera setup and stuff like that on the back. Left side of it again, micro SD and SIM card slot. Right side again, volume keys, power button, fingerprint sensor. I'm pretty sure that's what that is. On the top of the Nokia G100 is your headphone jack and your noise cancellation microphone, which is very nice. There's the front, there's the back and whatnot. Alright. So yeah, the Nokia G100 has 24 hours of talk time, 6.5-inch display, Android 12, 13 megapixel main camera in the back, and you got 3 cameras in the back, not one, but 3, because the Nokia C200 has 1 camera in the back. So yeah, that sucks, but this one has 3, so that's pretty good for a budget phone like this. So not bad at all, you know. So it says here, step into a world of entertainment with the Nokia G100 with a large 6.5-inch HD plus screen, edge-to-edge display, and smoother graphics. It delivers crystal clear viewing in the great outdoors and the cozy indoors. It also comes with a battery to back it up. Going up to 2 days on a single charge means you can enjoy more of what you love for even longer. The triple rear camera includes a 13 megapixel primary and 8 megapixel ultra wide, and then a 2 megapixel depth lens, which is pretty cool for a budget phone like this. Each is enhanced with AI powered night mode, so you can capture all your shots with ease and even conditions, and with advanced security features including side-mounted fingerprint sensor and face unlock, and optimized with the latest Android 12 and 4G speeds. This phone gives you everything you need at a price you'll love. So yeah, not bad phone, not bad spec, not bad feature list for the phone like this. This is a budget phone. So it's $140 for retail price, which is not bad for a budget phone like this, and it has pretty good features with it. You get face unlock, and you get a fingerprint sensor, which is pretty awesome. And you get a big ass battery in there as well. I don't know what the battery size is. I guess it'll tell us in the spec sheet when I get there. So anyways, features: lights, camera, action. The triple camera includes a 13 megapixel primary, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and a 2 megapixel depth lens, each with enhanced AI powered night mode for unreal shots and more conditions. Selfies that stand out: the Nokia G100 features an 8 megapixel front facing camera for sublime selfie shots and video chats. Access all areas. Side-mounted fingerprint sensor and facial recognition gives you more ways for you and only you to unlock your phone. Smoother, faster, more secure performance. Optimized with the latest Android 12 and a powerful octa-core processor for a smoother, faster, and more secure performance across all your apps. A 4G world of entertainment. Connect to the world in 4G speed. Designed to take on the everyday. You'll be streaming, sharing, scrolling with ease, and with voice over LTE support, you can enjoy clear calls with HD quality. Alright. Life on the edge. The large 6.5-inch HD plus the large 6.5-inch HD screen with edge-to-edge display and smoother graphics delivers a better viewing experience and more lighting environments. Keep the entertainment coming. See more of what you love with a large 5,000 milliamp battery that lasts up to 2 days on a single charge, which is pretty fucking awesome. Specs. Display, like I said, 6.5 inches. That is an HD plus display, LCD display, so nothing special about the display. Resolution 720 by 1600 pixels. It's a V-notch display, 20 by 9 aspect ratio. Battery, 5,000 mAh battery, non-removable battery, which is pretty much standard now on all phones. Can last up to 2 days on a single charge. Also features 15-watt fast charging, which is pretty nice. Alright. Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 processor octa-core chipset. Okay, so it has an octa-core processor, Snapdragon 662, which is pretty good, I guess. I don't know how good that processor is, so don't quote me on that. It has Android 12, obviously. Weight 194.8 grams. I don't know what that is in ounces, so don't ask. Cameras, you get 3 of them in the back. 13 megapixel main camera with autofocus, 5 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel depth. Rear camera with flash, 8 megapixel front facing camera, 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of storage, expandable up to 12 GB via micro SD. So take advantage of that. Connectivity options: Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi capable, USB Type-C, and a 3.5 headphone jack, which is very nice. And the dimensions here, kind of confusing. I know it says 6.56 inches height. I don't know if it's 3.1 inches width, and I don't know if it's 0.34 inches depth. I don't know. They need to fix that because it's confusing to me. So, kind of interesting there. It's kind of interesting that they got the weight in grams, but the dimensions in height, length, and it's kind of interesting that they got the weight in grams, but they got the dimensions listed in height, width, and depth, which is kind of interesting. So, yeah. What's included in the box is your English and Spanish safety booklet, the Nokia G100 smartphone English and Spanish guide, Type-C cable, charger, which is nice to have, and your SIM ejection tool. So pretty cool that you send stuff in the box, nothing special in the box. So yeah. So there you guys have it. The Nokia G100 is now here at Beast Mobile. It's available now for $99.99. Currently $40 off. The full retail price of $139.99. So if you guys are looking to get a budget smartphone or whatever, a backup phone or whatnot, the Nokia G100 could be the one to check out here. It has good specs for what it is, a budget phone. It has facial recognition, fingerprint sensor, which is your power button. It has fast charging. It has triple cameras in the back. It has a better features list than the Nokia C200 that Beast Mobile also offers as well. So between the two, the Nokia G100 is better than the Nokia C200. So that's just my opinion. So yeah. So there you guys have it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.